In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Hostinger in a few simple steps. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a portfolio, or a small business site, having a reliable hosting service is crucial to your online success. Hostinger makes the process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every part of it. Let's dive right into it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Hostinger website. You can easily do this by typing Hostinger into your search engine or entering their URL directly into the address bar. Your goal here is to find the page where you can create or access an account. Once you're there, you're one step closer to bringing your online ideas to life. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the page for the login button. This is the doorway to either sign into an existing account or begin the creation of a new one. Click on this button and a new page will appear, offering different options for logging in. It might seem a bit counterintuitive to not see an immediate create account button, but bear with me here, it's all pretty seamless. Now that you're on the login page, you might notice several options for signing in or creating an account. For a streamlined experience, I recommend using an existing Google or Facebook account if you have one. This method not only saves you time, but adds an extra layer of convenience if you're already using Google or Facebook regularly. All you have to do is click on the Login with Google or Login with Facebook option. A new window will pop up asking for your permission to proceed using these credentials. Follow the prompts and you'll be redirected back to Hostinger. Once back, if you chose the social login method, congratulations. You now have your account up and running with minimal effort. The process is designed to be quick and painless, allowing you to immediately start customizing your hosting experience. If you opted for a different sign-up method, the site will guide you through entering your email and creating a secure password. After setting up your account, take a moment to browse through Hostinger's offerings. Familiarize yourself with their user-friendly dashboard. Here you can manage your website settings, explore different hosting plans, and even access customer support if you have any questions. Hostinger is known for its easy-to-use interface and affordability, which is perfect whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your online presence. And that's it, you've successfully created an account on Hostinger. Remember, the key to a great website starts with reliable hosting. So feel free to explore Hostinger's features, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to building a remarkable online presence. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video.